Hello friends, welcome to Bioassembling. In this session I will discuss about the structure of liver. First of all, when we got definition of liver is the largest gland of the body and liver lie in the upper right side of the abdomen. You can see the structure of the liver. This is present in upper right side of the abdomen and just below the diaphragm. Liver is heavier in male than female. In male, liver contain 1.4 to 1.8 kg, but in female 1.2 to 1.5 kg weight. मेल में liver heavier होता है फीमेल की तुलना में. When we talk about the structure of liver is divided into two types: right lobe of liver and the left lobe of liver, and these are separated by falciform ligament. And internal structure of the liver is contain hepatic cells and it arranged in the form of cord. You can see these are the hepatic portal vein, and here the gallbladder is present when, and liver generally store bile salt, release bile salt, and the bile salt is stored in the gallbladder. And mammalian liver contain Kupffer cell. Kupffer cell are the phagocytic cell that eat worn out WBC, RBC and bacteria. When we talk about the structure of liver, these are the right lobe and these are the left lobe, and these are separated by falciform ligaments. These are the esophagus, and backside of liver is the stomach present, and these are the small structure is pancreas, these are duodenum, and the liver release bile salt, and this bile salt is stored in the gallbladder, and these are the structure. Green structure is gallbladder, and these are the common bile duct, and bile salt is released through the common bile duct. So this all about the structure of liver. When we talk about the function of liver, the main function of liver is to produce bile. The liver secrete bile, and the bile is stored in the gallbladder. About 500 to 1000 milliliter of bile secreted by the liver in a day. And bile salt contains sodium bicarbonate, sodium glycolate, sodium taurocholate. And this bile salt help in the digestion of fat in the small intestine by bringing about their emulsification of larger fat droplets into smaller ones. When we talk about the next function of the liver is a deamination. Deamination is a process by which amino group or is removed from the amino acid and resulting in the production of ammonia, which convert into urea. इन deamination में amino group remove होता है amino acid से, and और ये प्रोड्यूस करता है अमोनिया, और जो कन्वर्ट होता है यूरिया में. थर्ड इज द एक्सक्रीशन. Liver synthesis urea with the help of ammonia and carbon dioxide. Urea is passed out through excretory system. Means liver यूरिया सिंथेसाइज करता है, एंड ये एमोनिया के हेल्प से और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के हेल्प से, और यूरिया पास्ड होता है एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम में. सेकेंड एक्सक्रीशन फंक्शन है लीवर कंटेन बाइल पिगमेंट, bilirubin yellow and biliverdin green. Yellow color pigment is called bilirubin and the green color pigment is called biliverdin, and that are also excretory product. These are also excretory product. Third function of the excretion is the liver cell also eliminates certain other waste product like cholesterol, metal ions and waste product of hemoglobin, and this waste product and bile pigment reach into the duodenum through the bile passes out with the feces. And the third main function of the liver it's eliminate all the waste product like cholesterol and metal ion and the hemoglobin, waste product of hemoglobin, and these are passes through duodenum, and these are released throughout the body with the in the form of feces. Glycogenesis. Fourth function of the liver is the glycogenesis. It is the conversion of excess of glucose into glycogen by the liver cell and with the help of insulin secreted by the pancreas. And these help in the secretion of insulin through the pancreas. Glycogenolysis. Fifth function is glycogenolysis. It is the conversion of glycogen into glucose by the liver cell and with the help of glucagon secreted by the pancreas. जब पेनक्रियास से ग्लूकागोन सिक्रीट होता है ये फॉर्म करता है ग्लाइकोजन ग्लूकोज से एंड it help in the secretion of secreted in the pancreas. Lipogenesis. It is a conversion of excess of glucose and amino acid into fat. Lipogenesis एक प्रोसेस है जिससे एक्सेस ग्लूकोज और अमीनो एसिड फैट में कन्वर्ट होता है, इसलिए इसका नाम लिपोजेनेसिस है. ग्लूकोनियोजेनेसिस. इट इज़ द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ग्लूकोज और ग्लाइकोजन फ्रॉम नॉन कार्बोहाइड्रेट सोर्स such as amino acid, fatty acid and glycerol. ग्लूकोनियोजेनेसिस में नॉन कार्बोहाइड्रेट सोर्स जैसे कि एमिनो एसिड, फैटी एसिड और ग्लिसरॉल से ग्लूकोज और ग्लाइकोजन फॉर्म होता है. इट ऑल्सो अकर इन द किडनी एंड द स्ट्रिप्यूल मसल्स. एंड द नेक्स्ट फंक्शन इज डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन. लीवर कन्वर्ट टॉक्सिक सब्सटेंस इनटू हार्मलेस सब्सटेंस. Main function of liver is it convert toxic substance into harmless substance. For example, prozoic acid formed during the metabolism of all body cell and it neutralize and regenerate harmless by the liver cell. प्रोजोइक एसिड इज एक हार्मफुल एसिड है जो कि मेटाबॉलिज्म ऑफ बॉडी सेल के मेटाबॉलिज्म से बनता है और लीवर इसे न्यूट्रलाइज कर देता है. हेमियोपोइनेसिस. द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ब्लड कार्पसल्स इज कॉल्ड हेमियोपोइसिस. द लीवर प्रोड्यूस रेड ब्लड कार्पसल्स इन द एम्ब्रियो. द नेक्स्ट फंक्शन इज द हेमियोपोइसिस. इसके फॉर्मेशन में ब्लड कार्पसल्स का फॉर्मेशन होता है थ्रू द प्रोसेस ऑफ हेमियोपोइसिस एंड लीवर रेड ब्लड कार्पसल्स प्रोड्यूस करता है. नेक्स्ट फंक्शन इज सिंथेसिस ऑफ ब्लड प्रोटीन. द लीवर प्रोड्यूस ब्लड प्रोटीन सच एज प्रोथ्रोम्बिन एंड फाइब्रिनोजन दैट हेल्प इन द क्लोटिंग ऑफ ब्लड. ब्लड के क्लोटिंग में प्रोथ्रोम्बिन एंड फाइब्रिनोजन हेल्प करते हैं जो कि लीवर से प्रोड्यूस होते हैं. व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द नेक्स्ट फंक्शन ऑफ इज द सिंथेसिस ऑफ ब्लड प्रोटीन. Next is the secretion of heparin. Liver secrete heparin anticoagulant. Heparin is an anticoagulant. Lymph formation. Liver is an important seat of lymph formation. Next is the synthesis of vitamin A. Vitamin A is also synthesized in the liver from bicarbonate, and later it is yellow orange substances of carrot. Secretion of enzyme. Liver secretes certain enzyme which play important role in the metabolism of protein, fat and carbohydrate in the body. That means liver important enzyme produce करता है जो कि मेटाबॉलिज्म ऑफ प्रोटीन, फैट और कार्बोहाइड्रेट में हेल्प करता है. डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ रेड ब्लड कार्पसल्स. द old worn out red blood corpuscles broken down in the liver cell, their hemoglobin is changed into bile pigment, and this all waste red blood corpuscles is broken down in the liver cell and this hemoglobin is changed into bile pigment. So this process is called destruction of red blood corpuscle. When we talk about phagocytosis, liver cell contain phagocytic cell and the is called phagocytosis is a cover cell of the liver engulf disease causing microorganism, dead cell and foreign matter. Liver cell contain its own phagocytic cell is called cover cell, and this cover cell engulf disease causing microorganism, dead cell and foreign matter. When we talk about the osmoregulation, liver produce cyanogen, a protein which help in the kidney and maintaining the body fluid and osmoregulation. Next function is the production of heat. Due to high metabolic activity of the liver, enough heat is produced and which is essential for maintaining the optimum body temperature. लीवर हमारे बॉडी के हीट को भी मेंटेन करता है, बिकॉज लीवर हाई मेटाबॉलिक एक्टिविटी प्रोड्यूस करता है, इसकी वजह से हाई अमाउंट में हीट रिलीज होता है जो कि हमारे बॉडी को ऑप्टिमम बॉडी टेम्परेचर प्रोवाइड करता है. नेक्स्ट इज ए स्टोरेज. लीवर स्टोर ग्लाइकोजन, फैट्स, vitamins A, D, E, K and B12 and bile in the gallbladder, blood and water, iron and copper, potassium. These are the storage material of the liver. And the next function, when we talk about the blood supply, liver blood supply, these are hepatic vein, and the blood enter the liver from the two source, from the hepatic artery. You can see these are the hepatic artery, and it gets oxygenated blood from the hepatic portal. Hepatic vein, it get oxygenated blood from the hepatic portal, and it receive deoxygenated blood, and this it receive deoxygenated blood, and these bloods are come from the aorta. Blood in the hepatic portal vein come directly from the intestine containing newly absorbed nutrients, and these bloods in the hepatic portal vein, it directly come from the small intestine, and where the newly formed bloods are available. And this hepatic portal vein also bring blood from the spleen to the liver. And liver is a high power generation. You can see these are the structure of the hepatic portal vein, and these are the bile duct, and these are the gallbladder where the all bile salt are stored, and this bile salt is produced in the liver. When we talk about the bile salt, bile is a watery greenish fluid mixture containing bile pigment, bile salt, cholesterol and phospholipid. Bile serve as a following function, such as neutralization of HCl, emulsification. Emulsification is a process where the broken down of sodium glycolate and sodium tricolate break large fats droplet into smaller ones. That means emulsification means fat droplets is broken down into smaller ones with the help of sodium glycolate and sodium tricolate. Next function is a bile salt is a absorption of fat and the fat soluble vitamins. And also a bile pigment is also help in the excretory product, like the bilirubin and biliverdin are the excretory products of the bile pigment, and it also stimulates the peristalsis. Bile increase the peristalsis of the intestine, and it also activate bile also activate the lipase. Bile contain no enzyme but activates the enzyme lipase. So these are the important function of the bile. So this all about the function of liver and their structure. I hope you understand well. If you have any query, please type on the comment box. And if you like this session, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.